Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, and today I will be showing you an interesting notes-taking app. It's called Simple Sticky Notes. With this app, what you can do is you can create short notes, you can create sticky notes, and you can paste them on the screen, and it will help you in your productivity, arranging different tasks, and you will be, more productive after using this particular application. So in this video, I'll show you from where you can download this software, and I'll also give you hands-on tutorial on how to use this application in real time. I'm sure that after watching this video, you should be able to use the software, and you will be using this software more frequently. There are not many good note-taking apps, especially when it comes to sticky notes. So I'm sure that you will be using that particular applications. All right. So without any delay, let's get started. Hi everyone. So today I will be giving you hands-on tutorial on Simple Sticky Notes. This is the app that helps me a lot while I'm going to arrange my tasks. So what I do is I use different notes, and this is a very lightweight app you can use in Windows where you can create various notes. So after using so many different applications, like even Microsoft Office itself contains one sticky note app. I've used that one. But for the simplicity and just for the ease of using it, I simply ended up using Simple Sticky Notes. So let me show you how it works. So when you download this app, you will have a kind of icon, which after right clicking, you will get a new note. Very simple. And it will be opened up right over here, and where basically you can move this, correct? So let me populate this with more notes. So by just, right now I still have the note that we have to write something on it, and then I can create another note, right? I'll show you how it works. So you want to change the title. You cannot directly edit it. For example, I'll just bring it into the center, and here it is written that it's new note. To change this new note, what I have to do is I have to edit title. So this is what I have to do. Then I can edit title, so it becomes to do or to-do list, and I'll say yes. Okay, so now you can see it got changed, and I can directly write all the tasks that I want to perform, especially like I can say task 1, and then I can number them. It's up to you how you're going to use it, right? So 3, task 3, and so on. So this is my to-do list. I have first list, and how I can customize this, let me tell you that also. So all these 3 dots are there on right next to the cross sign. You click on this one, you'll get a lot of other options, starting from the colors. So you can change colors. You have range of different colors. You have this little bit lighter shade of red, then you have golden color. This is yellow, light yellow. You have green, you have blue. Lot of variations is available, right? So you can basically use whatever suits you. So you can change that. Next is opacity. You can also change the opacity. Sometimes you don't like too bright note on the desktop, so it can actually make it very, very light. So you can see at 10%, it's hardly visible. Okay, so you definitely don't want that. So opacity should be probably above 50% that you will be using. And when I suddenly click on this one, its opacity comes back. So that is interesting, right? So you can see if I click on desktop, then opacity is going to, decrease this appearance. And when I click back, I can see it. So it's very, very convenient for me to use the note. And let's go next. We have size. You can also increase the size by just clicking on the plus icon, and you can clearly see the size got increased of that particular notes depending upon how much you want, and you can revert back it to 1:1 ratio. So that's the standard size. Next, what you have is you can also put alarm for your notes, and that basically will help you if you have a pending task, and especially when you're working on timelines or deadlines. So it can use the system's alarm to actually tell you that it's time to do this particular task, and it's really, really, really important, and it's very convenient. So if you are busy with one work and you want to shift, you can set the alarm in this. Okay, next what you have is you can print it out, export, duplicate. You can also duplicate this note, right? So now if I'm keep on duplicating the notes, I'll have multiple notes. Let's use 4 different notes in this case. Let's make another duplicate copy of this. Okay, so I have 4 different notes that I will be working with. Probably what you will be doing is you're going to keep the note onto the right side of your desktop, and then probably you will be working in this region, right? Something like that. Anyway, so I'll just use these 3 different notes in the center, just show you And for example, these are all copies, so you can create another by changing the color. You can create another one by changing its color, but the content remains same in this case. And you can edit the title quickly, and it will be maybe your project list. You're working on some project, so that is your project list. In this case, maybe you're working on you have shopping list or something, so we can make it shopping list. And then you have different tasks that are there, right? So it is very, very useful for me. That is why I thought, okay, let me share that so that everyone who is the part of Basic Science series should be using this tool, and it's very, very convenient for me. What I usually do is I can also create one single note, and I can basically drag this note like this. So I can have a long note where I can have multiple tasks. And then I can increase it. I can keep on adding different tasks in this list. And then when I want to minimize this, what you can do is you can basically minimize from these 3 dots. You can go and you can minimize it. It will be like this. So it's also convenient. You can just keep it right over here, right? So and then on clicking on this square box, it will again show up. Highly useful app. Always on the top, you can do lock notes, so you can basically lock the notes, so nothing is going to happen to this. It will stay, and you can do other work. That is also very, very convenient. I really like this, and you can hide it, right? It's gone, and then you can just click on this, and it will all come back. Whatever notes you have created, you can delete them. Wonderful application. I think everyone should use it. Now let me show you from where you can download this, and it's very, very simple application. And somehow when I was identifying various applications, doing Google search, and then from one of the AI tool that I use suggested me this tool. Okay, and this is the website, which is simplestickynotes.com. What you have to do is you have to directly go, and you can also change the font. I don't know. Let me also figure that one out. How we can use, how we can change the font, because I can see on this website you have different fonts for the text also. Okay, we'll find it out. But how you can download this? You can go to download, click on download, and then download new version of Sticky Notes directly. If you go down, you will have a download option. Download now. From here, you can download the Sticky Notes for free, and there are some new emojis also that you can use in this one. And we can altogether figure that one out. These are some of the minimum requirements. You have Windows 11, 10, 8, or PC with AMD processor. Very light app. You can also have dark mode in this case. Okay, and there are so many things. Okay, so yeah, please explore all those things, and then just start using this app. Let me see if I can use whether I have those functions available, because I've locked it. Okay, unlock note by clicking on the same thing. Okay, all right. So next is size. We have already changed it, so I guess we can move it here. Sometimes you have some options that are available to you. Sometimes you don't find those options when you're doing it. Opacity, I really like the opacity. You can create Alt plus N is to create new notes. Let's try it out. Alt plus N. Yeah, wonderful. Look at that, right? And so quick. You can create another note. And do we have option? Yeah, look at this. So you can also change the option by selecting whatever you have written. Right click over here. You have different font options. You can use that cartoon font also. You also have option to increase the size. Wonderful. Option to make it, arrange it in a different mode. Paragraph style is also available. You can insert files. Yeah, insert even links. And then, this, you can make it italic, you can underline these things. So it's really helpful and very, very, at the same time, very simple and really powerful note-taking app. You can also take the notes, by the way, right? You can easily create Alt N, I guess. Yeah, Alt N. Okay. Alt plus N. You have a new note, and you can immediately take the note, take the notes on any conference or something, and then just close it down. Every time you open this application, all the notes are going to come out, right? Amazing application. So I hope that you will be using this, and you should be using this, and start populating your notes on the desktop. Look at this, everything came back, whatever I've created. You can basically, what you can do is now you don't want notes, you just click on this one and you delete the note. Then it's not going to pop up again. Okay, so please feel free to ask me if you have any doubt, and if you have any new option that you've explored, please then share that option in the comment section. I'll be meeting you with the similar kind of important updates on various things. Please do let me know if you have any doubt. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Take care, everyone.